Well, just like the rest of our project house, we didn't want to skimp when it came to our garage doors. We didn't want an ugly door on a beautiful home. So we did some really special stuff. We got a lot of doors on this house. 2 over here. We've got 3 across the area here. And then actually we have one on the back side of that garage slot because you can pull all the way through the house. As you can see, they are beautiful doors. We actually worked with designer doors, and we're fortunate enough to have the founder of the company with us today, Kent Forsland. Kent, thanks for joining us. And you're actually the cause of all these designer door concepts all around the country. I mean, you came up with making doors different. How come? What happened?
Well, what happened, Michael, is a client of ours came and they had a carriage door that actually rolled on a track around the corner of their garage. And she wanted the door to go up like a regular garage door, but she wanted that look.
Well, you've done it here for us on these doors. I mean, we've got a split down the door where it looks like it's actually a carriage door that's going to open up both ways. And you've got all the different panels in there, custom windows it looks like.
Right. In this example, in this door, we have 2 over 2 windows. So what you're seeing are 4 groupings of 2 over 2 windows. And often what is done in planning a home is picking up on window detail that is then carried elsewhere through the home. The other thing that we have is quite typical of a carriage door. We use some wood buttons, and the wood buttons are somewhat mimicking the idea of a wood peg, going back to when there wasn't actually fasteners and people used wood pegs for holding the boards on the door. We also do 1 coat of finish, usually before it goes out. You can see over here that we have started doing a 2nd coat of finish just to show the richness of the wood.
Yeah. And what type of wood have we got here?
Well, this is Western red cedar on the outside. That's typically what we build our doors from. Okay. Western red has a special chemical in it that keeps the insects from wanting to eat it up, and it helps reduce rotting.
Let's go inside and look at the back side. I want to see how you actually put something this big together.
Okay.
That is a solid looking door from the inside, Kent. All that hardware. Solid wood too. Here you got a sample.
Yes, this sample allows us to show how the door is constructed. The interior of the door is made of a structural wood called Douglas fir.
That's going to be strong, isn't it?
Douglas fir is extremely strong. It has a real high sap content that really helps it withstand rotting and other decay. The other thing about Douglas fir is that it is so rigid that it allows us to offer a hurricane package where we have the only door that will go up to 140 mile an hour wind load for a hurricane.
The only wood door that can take that kind of wind load.
Right. The Douglas fir is actually creating a structure for the window area. And the back of the window is finished. It's all true divided windows.
A real divided light window.
Right.
Okay.
And on the outside we have a 10-degree bevel on this cedar trim board to allow the water to shed away from the window area.
And strong materials, it looks like.
Right. A lot of the hardware we use is such high quality that it's built just for our specification. Some of the brackets and so on are built just for us.
Okay, since everything's so custom, what do you do as far as installation? I mean, the builder buys direct, so who actually installs this door?
The installation of the product is done by a network of certified installers. In this case, we used a local company, Nortex Overhead Garage Door. They did an excellent job, as all of our certified installers do.
And then how do they actually put it together? I mean, does it stack like a normal garage door?
Right. Each of the doors are labeled on the end of the section to indicate which sections go together. So the bottom section is put in first and it's leveled, and then all the sections above that are exactly lined up before the lagging is put in the back of the door.
They're beautiful doors. They look great on the project house. Thank you, Kent.
Thank you, Mike.